Let me ask you something. What if I told you that AI could help you make $10,000 a month or more without a degree, without experience, and without working crazy hours? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's already happening. There are few people right now making 5 to 6 figures a month using AI, and most of them aren't tech geniuses or programmers. They just figured out how to use AI tools to make money fast. And here's the crazy part, most people are either too scared or too lazy to take action. They're watching AI change the world but doing nothing about it. And you know what? That's exactly why this is the biggest money-making opportunity of our lifetime. AI isn't just a tool, it's a wealth-building machine. And if you get in now, you can start earning thousands per month before most people even wake up to the opportunity. So, in this video, I'm breaking down the best high-paying AI side hustles that can make you $10,000 a month or more. Step by step, I'll show you exactly what to do, which tools to use, and how to get started today. So, grab a notebook, stay till the end, and let's get into it. Why AI side hustles are the best way to make money in 2025. Before we get into the best AI side hustles, let me tell you why AI is the fastest way to make money right now. Reason number 1, AI does 90% of the work for you. Think about this. AI can write for you, AI can design for you, AI can edit videos for you, AI can even talk to you. This means you can start a business without being an expert. AI automates what used to take hours and lets you make money in ways that weren't possible before. Reason number 2, you don't need a big investment. You don't need a fancy office, inventory, or employees. All you need is a laptop, internet, and free AI tools. That's it. Reason number 3, AI is exploding right now. AI is already worth over $100 billion and it's projected to hit $1 trillion by 2030. That means the sooner you start, the more money you'll make. Now, let's talk about how you can turn AI into $10,000 per month income stream. AI side hustle number 1. AI-powered copywriting, $3,000 to $15,000 per month. Did you know that businesses spend billions of dollars every year on content? And here's the crazy part. Most of the content is now being written with AI. How to make money? Use AI tools like ChatGPT Jasper or Copy.ai to create content in seconds. Number 2, offer AI-powered writing services like blog posts, website content, and social media captions. Number 3, charge clients $50 to $500 per article or $2,000 plus per month for ongoing work. Where to find clients? Sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. DM small businesses and offer to write AI-generated content for their website. Pro tip, learn SEO writing and you can double or triple your rates. AI side hustle number 2, AI video editing and faceless YouTube automation. $5,000 to $20,000 a month. You've seen those faceless YouTube channels that get millions of views, right? What if I told you that many of them are run entirely by AI and they make over $10,000 a month? Here's how to do it. Use AI to write YouTube scripts, ChatGPT Jasper. Use AI to generate voiceovers, even Labs Murph AI. Use AI to create videos, Pictory, Runway ML, Synthesia. Upload them to YouTube and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. How to start? Pick a niche, motivation, tech, finance, health, extra. Post at least 3 to 5 videos per week. Grow your channel to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to start earning ad revenue. Bonus, offer AI video editing services to YouTubers for $500 to $2,000 per video. Number 3, selling AI-generated digital products, $2,000 to $10,000 per month. Want to make money while you sleep? Then AI-generated digital products are perfect for you. What kind of product? AI-generated planners and workbooks sell on Etsy. AI-generated ebooks sell on Amazon Kindle. AI-generated logos and designs sell on Fiverr. The best part, AI can create these in minutes. You just need to list them online. How to start? Use ChatGPT or Cloud AI to write ebooks. Use Midjourney or Canva to design planners. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon KDP. You can even sell AI-generated artwork as NFTs or print-on-demand posters. Final word, take action now. Listen, AI is not just a trend, it's a revolution. grind, and if you don't start now, you'll watch others get rich while you stay stuck. Here's your action plan. Pick one AI side hustle from this video, use free tutorials to learn the basics, start small, get clients, and scale up to $10,000 per month. And remember, the difference between those who make money and those who don't is simply who took action. So, which AI side hustle are you going to start? Drop a comment below, and before you go, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another money-making video on Finance Gate. See you in the next one.